Hey, Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. Let's look at a 2020 NauticStar 223 DC. This NauticStar is powered by a Yamaha 4-stroke 150. A quiet, very reliable engine. Has your ski pylon pole. There's a walk-through over on the side. This particular cushion will lift up to give you easier access without having to step onto the cushion. Wraparound seating. Comes with a bimini top. There's your captain's chair swivels. Also has the bolster thigh rise with it. Your controls, infinity stereo system, Bluetooth. There's a cooler onto the side of the helm. Also has a very large area where you could put a porta potty or just use it for storage. Little glove box. Moving up into the bow, we have ample seating on both sides. As you'll notice, this boat is wide all the way forward. Instead of going into a sharper V, it gives you a lot more leg room seating. There's an anchor storage locker. Of course, it has a boarding ladder in the bow area as well. Cup holders and speakers. This is the NauticStar 2020 223 DC. If you'd like to take a look at this NauticStar 223 DC, I'm Jim Pinkham and can be reached at MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168.